Hi, friends! Today we're going to sing about eating food. Yummy, healthy, and good for you. Let's munch and crunch and have some fun at the table. Yeah! In the morning, rise and shine. Time for breakfast, it's food time. Oats and fruit or eggs and toast. It's the meal we love the most. That an action idea. Show kids at a table eating cereal, fruit or toast. Smiling and saying yum. Ooh, da 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 dum. Red tomatoes, carrots too. Green broccoli, that's good for you. Give it a try, just one small bite. You might say, wow, that tastes just right. That's an action idea. Kid tries a new veggie, makes a happy face. Star or sparkle pops up, you did it. Ooh, da 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 dum. We sit up tall and take our time. We don't make noise or spill our slime. Say please and thanks and chew so slow. Good manners help our bodies grow. Odd action idea. Kids showing polite eating. Napkin in lap, saying please and thank you. Ooh, da 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 dum.